Happy Friday to everybody. I wanted to make a quick video today to talk about something that I'm sending home with progress reports. So students will come home with a progress report today, and stapled to that will be the sheet that you see on your screen, which talks about my new grading policy. So starting this 9 weeks, students will be allowed to correct any assignment or test, no spelling test though. So any assignment or test excluding spelling tests that they receive below a 70% on. Most of the time when I grade, I write their percent at the top so they are aware if it's below a 70. This assignment can be corrected and turned back in for a better grade up to a 70%. So an example is if a student receives a 50% on a math exit ticket. They may correct that exit ticket and turn it back in for a better grade up to a 70%. So let's say this time they turn it back in and they get it the entire problem 100% correct. I will change the grade to a 70% in place of the 50%. I can't give them 100% the second time because it is a second time. They are able to get help with it at home and bring it back to school. If it's a math test that they didn't do so well on and they take it home and they redo it or get help, they can turn it back in for up to a 70%. I think it's only fair if the kids want to put in the work and earn that better grade, then I'm going to give them the opportunity to. I say no spelling test because that's something that I administered during the day during spelling test time. I don't think there's any way around doing it at home. So I'm excluding spelling tests, but any other assignments. So today, when they bring home their progress report, flip through their binder or look at their progress report. I've highlighted any missing assignments and we'll try to make sure those are sent home with their progress report. But if you see an assignment in there and it's below a 70%, they have an opportunity to fix that and turn it back in. This is not something that I'm going to be telling them, hey, you need to redo this. I want them to be accountable and responsible for their work, so it is definitely going to be more on the student to want the better grade. I'm hoping that this helps a lot of them bump their grades up a little bit more, but it's just they have to want to put the work in to do it. So if you have any questions or concerns about the new grading policy or anything on their progress report, please don't hesitate to send me a message or an email. Have a great weekend.